Welcome to Brothers Learning. Today I'm going to teach you the rules of chess. Be sure to like our video to help us make more videos. Hit that subscribe button to see more videos, and if you want to get notified, hit the bell button too. Chess is a two-player game of strategy and skill. I even joined chess club because I love chess so much. And we made this video so you can play too. Now let's get to some chess. The setup goes like this. Pawns go in front of all the other pieces. Rooks go on the leftmost and rightmost squares in the back row. Knights go next to rooks. Bishops go next to knights. Queens go on their color, and kings go on the remaining square. Pawns can move 1 or 2 spaces on their first move. After that, they may only move 1 space forward, or they can move 1 space diagonally forward, but only if there's an enemy piece which they capture. Pawns can never go backwards. When pawns make it to the other side, they must change into a more powerful piece. This is called promoting. A pawn can't promote into a king. A pawn can only move forward if the square is empty. Rooks move left, right, up, or down any number of spaces. Rooks can't jump over any pieces. I like it because of the fact that it can move any number of spaces, so I say it's a good piece to keep. Knights move 2 spaces up, down, left, or right, then turn left or right and move 1 space in that direction. Knights can jump over any pieces, but can't land on them except to capture. I like it because it can jump over pieces. Bishops move diagonally any number of spaces. Bishop can't jump over or land on any pieces except to capture. I really like this piece because it can fit into tight squeezes. I don't like losing both. Queens can move in any number of spaces in any direction. Queens can't jump over or land on any pieces except to capture. I love this piece because it helps the king and can go anywhere. I hate losing it. Kings can move 1 space in any direction. Kings can't land on any pieces except to capture, and it can't move into check. By the way, if it is checkmated, game over to you. Check is when an enemy piece can capture your king. When you're in check, you must either capture the enemy piece, block the enemy piece, or move your king. When the enemy king can't prevent capture, that's checkmate. When you land on an enemy piece, it's called capturing, and that piece is out of the game. I absolutely love doing that. The goal of chess is to get the enemy king in checkmate. If you don't have a chess set, I've linked to some affordable chess sets that you can buy. I even found this cool website where you can play for free on your computer. I'll leave a link to it down in the description as well. What's your favorite game? Tell us in the comments below. Bye bye for now. See you soon, and thanks for watching.